That's a 68 Cobra Jet, a real one. So I told you we were gonna find a Cobra Jet. And that, my friends, is a Cobra Jet. We're gonna go over, take a look at it. Oh, by the way, did I mention it's for sale? Yes, it is. It's the only Cobra Jet here for sale. So if you're looking for one, stay tuned. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Right there would take you straight down to Cletus McFarland's place. Now this is a Cobra Jet. And this is something, if you guys don't know what this is, if you've never seen one, these are Cobra Jets. They're basically factory race cars.
Alright, attention is this. Sean is car number 1335S. Car number 1335S. Sean Page. I need you to tell us the traffic transmissions trailer for the Morgan exit.
This is number 50 because they are numbered.
130,000.
Sean Page. Sean Page, car number 1335S. I need you to bring your vehicle
150, 160.
to the traffic transmissions trailer to meet Morgan exit. Once again, Sean
Ooh,
Page.
and this one's actually for sale, guys. Hey, is this yours? It's the reason we have a YouTube channel. And actually, the reason we drove up here today is because I knew there'd be at least one Super Cobra Jet up here.
There you go.
And now I see it's for sale. So if you...
My name's David Garton. It's a 2012 Super Cobra Jet. It's a 5.4 car. It's number 50. They only built 50 of them. And it's the last 5.4 car built. It's easy driver. It's got a 4-liter Whipple under the hood, Super Cobra Jet. 2-speed power glide. It's got 23 runs on it. I only run 60% throttle on it, and it runs 901 at 154 all day long.
And there's a lot of you that know what this is, and for those, if they wanted, because this is for sale, we don't talk price on the channel, that's between you and him. But if somebody wanted to get a hold of you, do you have a website, an email address?
Email address.
Okay, do you want?
My email address is fordman1524@aol.com.
Okay, but for those of you guys, all right, so there's the part of you guys who buy the Shelbys and on the channel and that we saw in Naples with your supercars and all, and you're the guys who can afford this. But for those who can't, number one, you can't just go to a dealer and buy this. Like the GT?
No, not like that. It's just the dealers, limited dealers, because of it only being 50 cars built. So it's the anniversary cars of the 1968 Cobra Jet car, the first cars.
And those they took to Vietnam, like 5 of them, to like show off the Mustang to the guys overseas.
Some of the later cars they did to Vietnam, there's some of those cars that are showing back up in the 70s muscle car, 69 and 70.
And this isn't a factory race car.
Yes,
that's what this is.
From Ford, factory race car, wheels up.
Yeah, this isn't like, you don't buy this for your son for his first Mustang. Right. It's not the grocery getter. It could be. I mean, if you don't mind not having. Does it have a back seat? They didn't come with back seats, right?
It has a back seat because it's super stock legal. It has to have.
Oh, it has to
interior.
have one. Okay.
The only thing it doesn't have is it don't have wiper arms.
Okay.
But it has the 5.4 with the 4-liter big 4-liter Whipple. It's factory stock. It's never been abused.
And it's got the fiberglass hood. Now it doesn't have. It only has those type of hinges. It doesn't have the hydraulic things. It just has the old school prop rod.
Yep.
And this is how you would buy it, right?
This is exactly how it came from Ford.
Yeah. So this, he didn't install any of this stuff or anything. This is it.
Factory legal car.
So, and then transmission in it is
speed power glide, and with a trans brake.
Now
It's been ceramic coated, so the rubber don't stick to it. 90, sir, 90. 90,000. In Spring Hill, Florida. I got a card.
They have a Cobra class which you
Moved it to the NMC in 2 weeks.
They didn't come here today.
I brought my white car. You've probably seen it run. This was parked in the pit, and I said, oh, I'll drive it up here. It's a simple driver. No valve covers, no valve tabs. Super car, this car. Yes, sir. Hour and a half from here, just north of Tampa. Right. I got the original wheels. I didn't want to drill the rear wheels. I got those, and original seats with the Cobra jet on the seats. I got everything up there. Got a trailer? I do. I can deliver it if you wanted it. No, I want to buy the trailer. No, I'm not selling my trailer. Brought a Cobra jet car plus this car, but I didn't run this car. And I ran my 19 Cobra jet car in open comp because that's old. But they called me and said, hey, you joined the wrong one. And I'm like, no, I joined the Ford one that it's always been. And they said, we dropped the class. And they're trying to get everyone. They're trying to get everybody.
Guys, that is a Cobra jet, and that Cobra jet could be yours if it lasts the weekend, because while we've been here, we've already had 2 people come up and walk up to see it. If you want to see a Cobra jet and you are near Florida, next week they will have the whole Cobra jet class here. There will be a bunch of them here in Bradenton, March 7th, 12th. It's the muscle car thing. Look it up. I'll put the dates in underneath here. But that is a Cobra jet, guys, and that could be your Cobra jet. We have his contact information, and if you're interested in this, since we're going to put this up today, next week is the Cobra Jet class has moved from Mustangs to 2 weeks from now. Was that the 17th?
I think the 17, 18, 19.
17, 18, 19. Will you have this back if it's not sold?
Vacation.
Oh! So there'll be other ones here, but if you want to buy one, and like I said, we've been standing here, and since I've been standing here, 2 people have come up really interested, like really interested. So if you want it, they're rare, they're hard to find for sale, and they're hard to find in factory condition for sale, because mostly they get bought by race teams and then they just get make it in race cars. So if you want one that you can drive on the street, and this is it, this is the one. So thank you, sir, for
thank you very much.
Time, and we're gonna go ahead and put this up. So enjoy. I told you we'd drive up here and find a Cobra Jet, and we found, I think, the only Cobra Jet other than your other one. But this one's for sale, which is what we wanted to find. So thanks, guys. Remember, subscribe, ring the bell, join, and also share this with anybody you know who wants to buy a Mustang. Because I tell you what, you take this home, there ain't a Mach 1, there ain't a Shelby that's going to touch you at any street light, or pretty much anything else for that matter. All right, that is the other Cobra Jet that's here, the newer one. I think that is a 2014, I'm not sure, but that's a newer Cobra Jet. Might be a 19. The gentleman that owns the red Cobra Jet that you saw earlier that's selling his red one, this is his other Cobra Jet right here. And again, that white one is a factory race car. That is how they come from the factory. You don't, other than the tires, you don't have to do anything to them. Except put some stickers on them.
The Jackson, Michigan-based Cobra Jet is down at 683, so first into second, going to Mike Baker, will be first. Spring break shootout, round number 2, each of the lanes, please. Spring break shootout, brings you to round number 2.
All right, guys, here's another Cobra Jet. So there wasn't a whole lot of them here. This green one is a Cobra Jet. A 68 Cobra Jet, a real one. His Fun Factory, or Freedom Factory, sorry. Cletus McFarland's Freedom Factory is right over there. This is the drag strip in front of it. Racetrack is back there. We're having a great time here at the Spring Break Shootout. Thank you so much for checking out. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and we will see you next time. Remember, subscribe, ring the bell, join. That would be awesome. And we look forward to reading all your comments below. Thank you, guys. April, should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.